Wolf of Options here. This video is going to be on this SPY callout that I made today that went just under 200% in profit. I'm going to be explaining how I used levels, how I found my levels, and how we entered into the trade, and what my thought process was during the trade. Enjoy the video, leave a comment, like, share. Consider joining my TikTok and my Discord server if you're interested. I give free week trials to anyone who asks. And yeah, enjoy. As you can see, this right here is today. This is all today. So obviously, we look at the pre-market first. I didn't see any serious levels of support resistance in the pre-market, so I didn't mark any. So I zoomed out even more, and then I looked at yesterday and the pre and after market yesterday. So as you can see, right over here at 373.60, we have a serious level of support right over here as well. As we continue down the line, we can see more confirmation that this was a good level of support. Then we move down to the 372.50 area where we have another level of serious support. As you can see here, boom, another bounce at about 372.50, 372.50. Okay. Just messed that up a little bit. All right. Then I moved into the 1 minute time frame and I started marking lower levels of resistance. These levels aren't like super strong. These are more like medium levels of resistance. So let's zoom out and take a look. As you can see here, 374.84 was a level that I had marked right here, right over here. Some more support over here. 375.86. 1, 2, 3. Some more support over here. And as you guys can see, these levels did hold up. As you can see, 373.50 held up as support. 374.84, a good resistance. The levels work, guys. So right over here, this was where I made my first call out. At 9:37 or 9:38, I said I'm watching for SPY calls. I said, let's see if it breaks this level of resistance, if it breaks or bounces off of 373.66. It ended up bouncing, so we bought calls. Within, 10 minutes, it was up 30%. We were out of the trade. It broke through 374.84, but it wasn't able to really close above it. My bad. It wasn't able to close above it. Where are we at? Okay. And then it dropped back down. It broke our level of 370.366 all the way down to 372.91. So what I was thinking was, if it went to 372.50, which is this very, very strong level of support I have here, that we would most likely see a bounce back up. It didn't actually end up hitting that. I said if you're looking for another play, consider buying SPY calls for the day. So right over here, a member asked me if it's still a good play since we broke under our major level of support - resistance. And I said, yes, it's a good play, so he ended up buying in. Within 6 minutes, this member was up over 30%. Right over here, as you can see, he was up over 30%, back at our level of 374.83. It took a while for us to break. We kept retesting it, but we eventually did end up breaking and went all the way up to 376. What is this candle at? 376.17. The contracts at this time were around 40 to 50%, probably a little higher. Actually, I'm lying. They were around 60 to 70%. But as you can see, I did say that I saw in the chat, I said I saw that SPY could go all the way down to 372.50 and all the way up to 375, 376, 377 area. And let's take a look where SPY ended up going. SPY ended up going to 378.06.
377, 378. Crazy call out, guys. That's how we use levels. As you can see, the levels are supported by our trades. Our trades are supported by our levels. They work out. I marked my levels in the pre-market, made sure I had a plan, I knew what I was going for, and then I could base and look at my trades and make my confirmations and my decisions based off of these levels. Overall, this play ended up being 134% at the time. It was like 12.30, which is right over here. Spy was at 376.85. Right over here, 377 approximately. It actually did end up going to 378. This was probably, our call out was probably around just under 200% right over here. Crazy plays, Wolf of Options. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment. If you're interested in joining the Discord server, join. If you want a free week trial, just ask for one. And that's how I use levels to confirm my trades and make my decisions.